everyone, welcome back to my class. Myself Rumana Ali. I hope you all are doing well. In the previous session, I have explained you about the 4 major types of animal behavior, and that were instinctual behavior, imitation, conditioning and imprinting behavior. Okay, in today's class, let us discuss about or investigating the animal behavior. So how to study the animal behavior? The different scientists, they conduct several experiments or they observe the different animals in order to know their behavior, and they also used certain apparatus or certain equipments in order to measure or in order to track the animal behavior. For example, in what way they are moving, in which direction they show the movement. So all these things they have taken into consideration and they have given the different animal behavior. So now based on the observation, they have given the different types of behavior shown by the different animals, and they observed the animal behavior or they conducted some of the experiments in a closed environment. So the closed environment is nothing but in the laboratory. Whatever the research has been done by the researchers or the scientists in the laboratory, that is called as research under closed environment. So we have studied about one experiment that was conducted by a Russian scientist named Ivan Pavlov. He has conducted the experiment in a closed environment in his laboratory. So by that example, we can understand what is the meaning of the research under the closed environment. That means in the laboratory. The animal's behavior is classified into 4 main types. We have already discussed about that, and that behavior is shown depending upon the stimulus. So the stimulus is of 2 kinds: internal stimulus and external stimulus. External stimulus includes sound, smell and other things, and the internal stimulus includes fear, anger. So this internal stimulus has brought up in our body because of the secretion of some chemical substances inside the body. So that chemical substances which secretes in our body in order to provide an internal stimulus or in order to brought an internal stimulus, that chemical substances are called as hormones. So this is one of the important internal stimulus, or it's an important factor that helps the animals to show their different behaviors. For example, the hormone named pheromones, this hormone secretes in the body of the animal dog and in ants. So this hormone helps the animals to show their special ability. So dogs have the special ability, that is sensation of smell. They can sense the smell more faster. This is the special ability of these animals because of the secretion of a hormone called pheromones. Because of the special ability of the dog, they can smell the different things by sniffing. They are used in the crime investigation as well. So the dogs are trained in such a way that they can help us to identify the criminal by the sensation of the smell, which is the special ability of the dog because of the secretion of a hormone called pheromones. And when we talk about the ants, ants are very small insects. We cannot imagine the nervous system that is present in the ants, but in spite of being small insects, they show the secretion of hormone called pheromones, and because of the secretion of this hormone inside the body of the ants, they can communicate with each other. The social living is possible because of the hormone called pheromones. So in this way, the special abilities can be shown by the secretion of the different hormones in the different animals. तो अभी हम बात करेंगे investigating behavior के बारे में, ठीक है? तो साइंटिस्ट ऐसे पर्सन्स है, रिसर्चर्स ऐसे पर्सन्स है जो एनिमल्स को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं और उनकी ऑब्जर्वेशन के बेसिस पर ही वो लोग हमें डिफरेंट एनिमल्स बिहेवियर को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर पहले हमने पढ़ा है कि बेस्ड ऑन द स्टिम्युलस एनिमल्स डिफरेंट बिहेवियर बताते हैं, और यहाँ पर 2 तरह के स्टिम्युलस होते हैं, इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल. एक्सटर्नल स्टिम्युलस यानी साउंड और स्मेल, इंटरनल स्टिम्युलस यानी फियर, एंगर, हैप्पीनेस, सैड, दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर द इंटरनल स्टिम्युलस. तो ये इंटरनल स्टिम्युलस थोड़े से केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस सीक्रेट होते हैं एनिमल की बॉडी में, उस केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस की वजह से ही ये इंटरनल स्टिम्युलस ब्राउट अप होता है एनिमल्स की बॉडी में, ताकि डिफरेंट बिहेवियर बता सके, और वो केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस को हम बोलेंगे हार्मोन. तो यहाँ पर एक हार्मोन का एग्जांपल लेंगे जिसका नाम है फेरोमोन्स. ये वाला हार्मोन डॉग्स की और एंट्स की बॉडी में सीक्रेट होता है, और ये हार्मोन के सीक्रेशन की वजह से ये लोग स्पेशल एबिलिटी बताते हैं. और डॉग्स की स्पेशल एबिलिटी है सेंसेशन ऑफ स्मेल, यानी स्मेल के थ्रू वो लोग कोई भी चीज को सेंस कर पाएंगे. ये वाले स्पेशल एबिलिटी है डॉग्स की. और एंट्स बहुत छोटे से इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं, ये वाला हार्मोन के सीक्रेशन की वजह से ही वो लोग एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हैं और सोशल लिविंग स्टाइल बताते हैं. So this is about the investigating behavior, how the scientists study the animal behavior and they interpret the data to us about the different types of the animal behavior. Some of the animals show the extraordinary intellectual abilities. For example, weaver bird. Generally, the birds make their nest by using the stuff like twigs, leaves, straw, threads and many other small or minute materials they use to make their or to build their nest. But weaver bird shows some special ability, and because of that intellectual ability they can be able to make its nest with the help of 3 leaves. The weaver bird uses 3 leaves, and with the help of that 3 leaves only they stitches its nest. So it takes 3 leaves, and 1 leaf is used for making the bottom of the nest and the other 2 leaves is used for making the sides and the top of the nest. In this way it stitches these 3 leaves to build its nest. So we can see how the creative it is. The weaver bird is a bird that shows its skills in making its nest with the help of or by using the 3 leaves. The another example is beaver bird. So it usually lives in the stagnant water, and whenever it requires the food it comes out of the water to collect its food, and it is usually found in the streams, in ponds. So in the ponds the water naturally flows. Near the edges or the corners of the ponds we can find the presence of some trees. So what it does, beaver, it cuts the trunk of the tree with its mouth. With the help of its mouth it cut the trunk of the tree and make the tree to fall down. After the falling down of the tree it looks like a dam. Its special ability is to make the dam over the stream. So after the cutting of the tree trunk by the beaver, the tree falls down and it uses some more materials like twigs, grass, branches of the trees to make the dam. So in this way the dam is built over the stream by the animal called beaver, and this is the special intellectual ability of the animal beaver, and it's usually found in the stagnant water. So in this way the dam is built over the stream, which is an intellectual ability of the beaver. The next one is wasps. Generally we found the wasps in our surroundings, and the wasps are yellow in color. The body of the wasps is yellow in color and it shows some black bands on it. So the intellectual ability of this wasps is they build its home with the mud. They use the mud to build its home, and the home of this wasps looks like a pot. They use the wet mud to build its home just like a pot in this way. So they use the mud which is wet. If the mud is not wet, if it is dry, then they make that mud to be wet by adding some water and all. So in this way it shows the artistic way of making home by this small kind of insects called wasps. So they use the intellectual ability to make its home, and after making the pot like home with the help of a wet mud, they lay their egg. After making the homes with the wet mud, it cannot be easily broken down because it is made of wet mud. So after the construction of the home by these wasps, collect the food and they put that food into their homes. After gathering the or after collection of the food into their home, they lay their eggs on that food. So after the larva comes out of the egg, they can feed on that food. So in this way they also think about the future. So we can see how artistic and how creative it is. Okay, so these are certain animals that shows their special or the intellectual abilities to build their homes. तो अभी हम थोड़े से एग्जाम्पल्स लेंगे एनिमल्स के जो अपने होम्स बनाते हैं अपने इंटेलेक्चुअल एबिलिटीज के थ्रू. तो यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल है वीवर बर्ड का. वीवर बर्ड एक ऐसी बर्ड है जो 3 लीव्स यूज करके अपने नेस्ट बनाती है, और ये 3 लीव्स में से एक लीव बॉटम के लिए यूज करते हैं और 2 लीव टॉप और साइड्स ऑफ द नेस्ट बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. तो इन दिस वे दे आर यूजिंग अ वेरी क्रिएटिव वे टू मेक इट्स नेस्ट. और नेक्स्ट वाला एनिमल है बीवर. ये वाले एनिमल्स स्टैग्नेंट वाटर में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, यूजुअली पॉन्ड्स और स्ट्रीम्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. पॉन्ड्स में नेचुरली वाटर फ्लो होता है और यहाँ पर पॉन्ड्स के ऊपर एक डैम बनाते हैं ये वाले एनिमल्स. डैम बनाने के लिए ये लोग जो भी ट्रीज प्रेजेंट होते हैं नियर द पॉन्ड्स उसके ट्रंक को कट करते हैं ताकि लीफ फॉल डाउन हो जाए. फिर लीफ फॉल होने के बाद थोड़े से ब्रांचेस, ट्विग्स, ग्रास, ये सारे स्टफ को कलेक्ट करते हैं और फिर इससे डैम बनाया जाता है. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज वैस्प. वैस्प ऐसे इंसेक्ट्स है जो येलो कलर के होते हैं और जिसकी बॉडी पे ब्लैक बैंड्स होते हैं. ये वाले इंसेक्ट पॉट लाइक होम बनाते हैं मड, वेट मड यूज करके। पॉट लाइक होम बनाने के बाद में फूड कलेक्ट किया जाता है और फिर वो फूड को पॉट लाइक होम में स्टोर किया जाता है। आफ्टर द स्टोरिंग ऑफ द फूड मटेरियल, ये एग्स ले करते हैं वो वाले फूड के ऊपर। जैसे ही एग्स लार्वा में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, वो लार्वा ये वाले फूड पर फीड कर सकते हैं। सो इन दिस वे दे आल्सो थिंक अबाउट द फ्यूचर। सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ सम एनिमल्स दैट शोज देयर इंटेलेक्चुअल एबिलिटी। सम ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट्स वर कंडक्टेड बाय द डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट्स टू नो द बिहेवियर ऑफ द different animals, and based on these observations and experiments, they said that the behaviors like cheating, hiding and bluffing that we usually see in the humans for the self-conscious, these type of behavior can also be shown by the different animals. So to show how the animals show the hiding, cheating and the bluffing nature, some of the examples we will study now that shows the animals different behavior. So here the first example is crabgay. Crabgay is a bird that shows this type of behavior, that shows the special behavior of hiding the food. When it collects the food, it goes to its nest and stores that food in its nest. So when another bird comes to it, it gives an expression in such a way that it doesn't have any food to eat. So this shows its hiding nature, stores the food in its home, and it hides its food from the other birds and from the other animals. But in the another incident, some of the scientists observed that the food which is stored by the scrubgay, it has stolen by some other bird. When some other bird comes to its nest and stolen that food, the scrubgay did not recognize that the food which is stored by it has stolen by the another one. So in this way, certain birds are present that shows the hiding and the cheating nature. The next example is squirrel. If you see the squirrels, you might have noticed that if it gets the food, so it appears that it is feared by someone's presence. When it gets the food, it collects the food or it holds the food in its hand and start to eat. And sometimes it also try to hide its food. So when the other animals are in search or when the other animals are in investigating where the squirrel is hiding its food, then what do the squirrels do? The squirrels uses its special behavior or uses its intellectual ability to hide its food. It digs the hole in the ground, but it doesn't store the food exactly in that hole. It hides its food or it stores it away from that hole. So in this way it misguides the other animals. The other animals cannot reach the food which was kept or which was stored by this squirrel. So in this way they use their special or the intellectual abilities to hide there or to store their food. These are some of the examples that shows the special behavior of the animal that was observed by the different scientists. थोड़े से ऐसे साइंटिस्ट है जिसने कई तरह के एनिमल्स के बिहेवियर को ऑब्जर्व किया है और उन्होंने बताया है कि चीटिंग, हाइडिंग इस तरह का भी नेचर बताते हैं थोड़े से एनिमल्स। तो अभी हम दो एग्जांपल्स लेंगे इस तरह के नेचर को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए। और फर्स्ट वाला एग्जांपल है स्क्रबगे। तो स्क्रबगे एक ऐसी बर्ड है जो अपना फूड स्टोर करती है, हाइड करती है दूसरे बर्ड से। और थोड़े से ऐसे बर्ड्स होते हैं जो चीटिंग नेचर बताते हैं, जो भी स्टोर किया हुआ फूड है स्क्रबगे का वो स्टोल कर लेते हैं। तो इन दिस वे बर्ड्स शो बोथ चीटिंग एंड हाइडिंग नेचर। और नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल है स्क्वेरल। स्क्वेरल ऐसे बर्ड्स है जो फूड को हाइड करते हैं इन सच अ वे दैट दे मिसगाइड्स द अदर। इस तरह से हाइड करते हैं कि दूसरे वाले एनिमल्स उसको ढूंढ नहीं पाते हैं, मिसगाइड कर देते हैं दूसरे एनिमल्स को। तो दिस टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन दीज एनिमल्स। थैंक यू।